Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, y'all, I am doing a Dollar Tree haul. Yes, y'all, a Dollar Tree haul. This makes 3 videos. 3. Can you believe it? It's been a while, but it seemed like my little Dollar Trees are starting to get some things. And actually, I'm getting the things that I know that I'm going to use, not just going to just sit around the house and collect dust, because y'all know I do not like clutter. I don't like all of that. So the Dollar Tree that I went to today, that Dollar Tree, y'all, was on top notch. So I will be going into that Dollar Tree to try to find some other things that I'm going to use, not just sit around the house, going to use. So let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, so when I went to go look to see if there was any more spring things going on, you know, for, like I told you all, for my front yard, that I'm going to be making it look cute and presentable. So the first thing I got, y'all, was this windmill. This is so cute. It came in another color, but this part of it was off. So I'm trying to find some more. I like this type of windmill. I really like it. Let me see what it says. Yeah. I mean, not a windmill. Well, I call them windmill, but they pinwheels, okay? They call pinwheels, but I call them windmills because the wind be blowing them, all right? So I've always called them that when I was little. So the next thing I got, y'all, was these watermelon blow pops. They are good. I seen someone else had bought these, and I think they was trying them out or whatever, but I like them. I will be purchasing these again. They ain't nothing but $1.25. I don't know how many's in there, but I've already eaten, I think, 2 of them. So I think it's a total of 5, I believe. I think it's a total of 5, but it doesn't say. Nope, it doesn't say. But I got that. The next thing, I got me another over-the-door hook. I'm looking to do something else with this, like put my hats on, or yeah, I think it's my hats that I'm looking to put with these. The next thing I seen was this wall mount rack. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I went ahead and purchased it just in case if I needed it for something. Who knows? They had a whole lot of them, so I just went ahead and picked up another one. The next thing was these squeeze applicator bottles. I really needed this, and I'm glad it was in this size. It's a two-piece. So I was going to get the big giant size kind, but I really didn't need that, but I'm glad I seen these. I might go back and get me a couple of more of these because I can use it for my hair, for when I'm putting like oil in there or anything for my hair. All right, so the next thing I got was this complete seasoning, and I heard this seasoning was real good, so I went ahead and got that. Now, you always want to look at the expiration date and everything. Then the next thing I got, try out this Kingsford Cajun style spicy seasoning. So this looked like this might be nice. And then the next thing I got was this lemon pepper. We was out of the lemon pepper, so I got this lemon pepper from Kingsford, and I think this would be nice. I should have got 2 of them, so when I go back again, I think I'm gonna get another one. Then the next thing I got, y'all, this right here, I had already purchased one, but I knew I needed another one, so I went ahead and purchased another one for this. I thought it was, when I first got it, I thought it was bigger than that, but it's not. But hey, it is what it is. I needed it, so I got it. The next thing I got, y'all, was these plastic watering stakes for plants. So I got this in pink, and then also I got it in like a teal color for my plants. So I got 2 of those, which I had been looking for these, and I finally seen them. So I just got, I think it only comes in these 2 colors. If it's another color, let me know, because I want to try to get another one if it's another color. The next thing is this microfiber fan duster that you see how it goes in between the fans. So I said, yes, I needed this, which I had got another one, but I know I needed this. So I got that. I got me some Trident gum, which I needed that. Then look, I picked up 2 other seasoning, not seasoning, herbs. I got a basil and a dill. And I think these are the last 2 of the those that they have, because I had purchased the other ones. If you want to go check out my other video of my Dollar Tree, you will see where I had purchased some more. Then the next thing I got was 4 of these. I got 4 of them. That's my dog barking at somebody else. Somebody's walking down our street. My door's open. I'm sorry about that, y'all. So I got these, like, they call solar starlights. So I got these kind. Y'all know on my other video, I had got the square kind. So I end up getting these round ones too. So I just got 4. And then the last thing, I got another kneeling pad. This color I got was the green color. I think they had like one more color, but I forgot what color it was. I think it was pink. Because, you know, I already got the purple. So I got this one. I might go back and get the pink one. So that's what I'll probably do. Right here, y'all, is my Dollar Tree haul. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Londa's channel.